Tonight we're at the Nomad Hotel in New York City. We have just unveiled the winning design from our annual design competition, Design and Gather.
And the winner is Kavitha Iyer. Come on up.
I've been at the venue, and when I imagined it, you guys had this competition, I thought it would be really lovely to bring something up that was evocative of what New York meant and the memory recall of New York, and how you could recreate the space into something that people would really remember and recall. And, you know, what better to have dinner than under the stars?
It's a great intimate room, and having the sort of dark blue palette with the sky, the darkness of the palette lets the light contrast really beautifully inside the space.
You could be in a very provocative and memorable space with this idea of bringing the outside in while still being able to see something from inside out.
Every time we do one of these Design and Gather competitions, it's about bringing all these people, all these members of this community together to collaborate and to see the results of what we can do together.
We've had almost 300 people attend our event, but of the 300, there were probably some of the biggest names in New York design, as well as some of the bigger brands in the hospitality design in the world.
To be able to also network with the larger community of co-appreciators who came together at this really unbelievable venue as well, and also just for the fun of it, right?
Not only do they win a trip to Paris, France, but they get the notoriety associated with the project.
I would encourage anybody, no matter where they are in their career, to go ahead and enter, because we're not going to judge you based on how far you've come in your career. We're going to judge you on the quality of your submission, and may the best submission win.